And you know what is going to disqualify you?
yini ezokwenza ukuthi uphume entandweni kaNkuluNkulu?
You.
Wena.
The decisions that you make,
Inqumo
you
oyithathayo
disqualify yourself out of the plan of God.
uyazikhipha ecebweni likaNkuluNkulu.
Mary was wise.
uMary wayihlakaniphile.
You know, she sought counsel.
Waboniseka.
And also this is speaking to obedience. It says that
Lithi,
a dog
inja
is better than a dead lion.
ingcono kunebhubesi elifile.
If you look at the lion, it's powerful. But if it's dead, it cannot help
Uma
anyone.
ifile ayikwazi ukusiza umuntu.
So there are people who have been very powerful.
Kunabantu ababenamandla.
But the problem was they didn't clean the vessel.
Man, inkinga ukuthi
And therefore they got
abazihlanzanga izitsha.
disqualified.
Ngakho ke uNkulunkulu ubasusile
Because
ngoba
they were a dead lion.
bebengamabhubesi afile.
Some of them, and this my husband loves to say,
Abanye babo umyeni wami uyathanda ukuthi
I think it's in the book of Revelation, my husband, if I'm not mistaken,
kusencwadini
where the
yesambulo
Lord is saying, I have this problem
lapho
with this church.
uNkulunkulu ethi nginenkinga naleli
The
bandla.
problem is they have reputation,
Naziwa ngokuthi
but they are no longer alive.
kodwa manje
There are
nifile.
people that have got good reputation,
Kunabantu abaziwa
but
ngokuthi
the Lord
bahle.
says to them,
Kodwa uNkulunkulu uthi
Anginazi.
I do not know you.
You are still in the pulpit, but the Lord is
Nikhona
saying,
epulpit kodwa uNkulunkulu uthi
Anginazi.
anginazi.
And in this season,
And kulesi sikhathi esikuso
it is shifting webazalwane.
kuyashintshwa ke
It
manje.
is shifting webazalwane.
Kuyashintshwa.
The Lord wants people
uNkulunkulu ufuna abantu
who are alive,
abaphilayo.
who are surrendered.